Today I'm going to walk you through how to upload an image into WibWabWeb. First, let's go to your pages. Let's choose a page that we want to insert an image by clicking Edit underneath the title of that page. I'm wanting to add an image to my home page. That's why I chose Home. So now, as you can see, I have some text already here in my page, and all I want to do is add an image into this content. So I'm going to place the cursor where I want my image to appear. And let's just say I want it to go right there, right before the U. So I'm going to go up here above my toolbar here, and where it says Add Media, and I'm going to choose this first icon that says Add an Image. So let's click on that. This brings you to your browser uploader. Now we need to browse your computer to find the actual images you want to post into your page. I'm going to use this sunset photo. So I'm going to click on it and choose Open, and choosing Upload will bring it into WibWabWeb. And there it is. Now, as you can see, you have many options here for your image. You have title, your caption, description, your link URL, alignment, and size. Let's kind of go into these more in depth to walk you through what you'll need to do for setting these for your image. First up here, you'll see that the actual image name is sunset.jpg. That's an image and it's a JPEG file, and this is the date and the time that the image was uploaded into WibWabWeb. Here is where you want to set your title of your image. This is really important that you set this as readable text. This will be stored in the media library under the title description. So if you remember the title and you go into your media library, you can do a search on the title and it would take you right to this image. So I'm just going to go ahead and title this image now. This is also important because the title and the caption can be picked up by search engines, so you want to make sure you have those, that you want a good description on those for the search engines to look for. So I'm going to just add a caption to this image. Alright, and next is the description. Description doesn't always appear on every image. It kind of just depends on how you use the image for when it will appear. Description will only appear when you use the post URL, and also depending on what theme you choose. So let's write a short description here. Okay, so let's talk about this link URL. Link URL means that if you click on your image, it will link you to a new page. If you don't want your image to be linked to anything, choose none. If you would like your image to appear in a new page that's just all white and nothing on the page but the image, then choose File URL. If you want your image to appear in a page that looks exactly like your theme, choose Post URL. That will bring your image in a new page that looks like your theme. This is also tied to the description, as I said before. So if you're wanting a description to your image, please choose the Post URL also. That is what I want to do for this tutorial, so I can show you how all that works. So I have selected Post URL. Let's talk about the alignment. The alignment is how you want your image to appear on your page. You can see by the small icons next to the description of the alignment kind of how your text would be wrapped around the image if you chose that selection. So for mine, I believe I want mine to be to the left, so I'm just going to keep mine on left. Now the size of the image is pretty important. As you see here, you have a full-size image, which is actually the size of the image that you uploaded. Medium here goes down a little bit smaller than what the full-size image is. Full-size image is 350 pixels by 233. The medium goes down to 300 pixels by 199 pixels. Now the thumbnail can be a little bit tricky. As you see, this thumbnail takes your image down to 150 pixels by 150 pixels. You got to be careful when choosing thumbnails because sometimes it chops off the edges of your images that you kind of want to appear on there. So be careful if you choose thumbnail that you look at your image and make sure it's the way you want it to look when it's a thumbnail and your image isn't chopped off in strange places. For this instance, I'm just going to choose medium. Okay, now we have all of our settings set, and let's go to Insert into Post. As you can see, the image has appeared in our text editing box, and it also has the caption displayed underneath it. So that looks good. I am going to preview my page because I want to see what this new image looks like on my page. And voila, we have it there. Here, my image is aligned to the left side of the page. I also have my caption that I put underneath it. And we are going to click on that. As you remember, we chose Post URL, which will bring the image up into a page that looks like your theme. It also adds the title to what you set your image, the title to your image to. And here is where the description was displayed. So now all that looks good. I think we're ready to update that page. We like how it looks. And that's all there is to it, to uploading an image into WibWabWeb. Thank you for watching this short tutorial on how to upload an image. I hope it was helpful to you, and keep checking back in with us because we are creating tutorials all the time to help you make your website look the best it can be.